Do you know the most terrifying experience an ant can live through? Well, it's when it gets attacked by a deadly fungus that turns it into a zombie. Scary, right? This fungus is called cordyceps. It all begins when an unlucky ant is just walking through the tropical forest and comes into contact with a spore. Once the spore sticks to the ant, it germinates and literally pierces its body with superfine filaments. The fungus then spreads everywhere inside, almost like thousands of tiny snakes swimming through its blood. And here's where it gets terrifying. After about 3 weeks, the fungus completely takes over the ant's brain, turning it into a mindless puppet. The ant abandons its colony, has convulsions, and even attacks its fellow ants for no reason. Then, as if controlled, the zombie ant climbs as high as possible onto a plant, exactly 25 centimeters above the ground. Why that specific height? Because it's the perfect spot for the fungus to reproduce. Once there, the ant clamps its mandibles into the leaf and stays stuck until it dies. But the nightmare doesn't stop there. The fungus keeps growing inside the dead ant, feeding on its organs, and finally pushes out a long stalk through its head. From this stalk, thousands of new spores are released, falling to the ground, ready to infect other ants and wipe out entire colonies.